Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rickety. Thank you for joining me. I decided that I was going to replace some of my light bulbs in the house with some LEDs because Mrs. Rickety likes to leave some lights on for no reason at all because she's scared of the dark. Or basically the garage light has been on for months and stuff and they just keep burning out. So the LED lights, they last a lot longer, hundreds of thousands of hours. It's what they're rated for before they burn out. But while browsing the Amazon, I found, and my screen's over here, so excuse me if I'm looking this way. Oh, I guess it works because it is right here for you guys. Anyways, I found this motion sensor LED garage light, 60 watt, 6000 LM, which I guess is lumens LED garage lighting, E26, E27, whatever that means, deformable garage ceiling lighting, LED shop lights, blankety blank. So yeah, they definitely SEO optimized that. But I did buy a couple of these, one for the garage and one for the patio out back, because that's on all the time too. So the thing that really wanted me to try these out is that it has a motion detector. So you don't have to worry about fumbling with the switch. If you drive the car into the garage, as soon as you open the door, these lights are going to come on and light the whole thing up. And if you look, these little fins here are adjustable and they move around, which on my back patio I think would be cool because I can point something at my grill if I'm, cooking at night out there, cooking up some steaks or what have you. Let's go through these other pictures here. Okay, screwed into a regular light socket, has an on-off switch. Easy to install and uninstall, I would agree with that. Oh yeah, that looks real. Great job photoshopping that, guys. Yeah, we just screwed those in there, and to scale, the foreground guys here are, probably at least 6 foot tall, but those ceilings are, 30 feet tall, and so these things are way out of proportion. You're probably looking at something that would be, I'll bet, 5 foot in diameter from edge of fin to edge of fin. Anyways, going through all this stuff, built-in motion sensors, the garage lights will turn on when the motion is done, 1727 feet, no obstacles. So yeah, it's not going to see you through something. 50,000 hours lifetime, 85% energy saving. So they got an extra S here that they should have put on the S right here at the next to the G. Anyways, no big deal. I get what they mean. 2-year warranty, after sale guarantee. How many thousands of hours are there in 2 years? Let's see. Let me pull up my trusty Windows calculator. Alright, so we got 365 days in a year times 24. 8,760 times 2 is 16, is 17,520. Yeah, Korean math. Anyways, 2 years, if you left them on all the time, if they never shut off, you'd use less than half. Reasonable. So you could probably expect this thing to last 5, 6, 7 years or more. That's reasonable for the price. I mean, we're talking, $45.99. That's not too bad. Going down, there are some other competitors, a little bit more money, but it looks like these are all pretty much the same design. I spent probably an hour looking to see if there's something better or worse, whatever, but a lot of them have the same design that we have going here, which this one looks pretty close. What is this? That one looks plastic. I think the this one is a special kind of Chinesium metal of some sort. I think that'd be more durable, especially if it's sitting outside, and I live in Arizona, so it gets really hot. Maybe ABS plastic or PVC or something like that. Kind of stress and crack or whatever over time, good break, but who knows? I would say the bulbs burn out long before these things go bad. So anyways, let's get this thing open and screw it in the garage and see how it works. Ooh, it's here. All right, let's get this open. Done. All right, so I also got a couple of these little socket extender thingies in case it doesn't work. But yep, here's two of them. Oh, look at that. 15 cash back if you review. All right. So there it is. Some things flip out. This is actually made out of metal. A little cap. Some kind of propaganda that's in there. All right, let's try this out. All right. So here we go. We're aiming to replace this guy right here. And I tested another product because I slashed my finger opening that package like an idiot. So I had to try some stop bleed on this finger. So anyways, we're gonna pull this bulb out. All right. Making sure I'm focusing right here. All right, let's see here. Can it reach? Oh, I'm on my tippy toes here. I guess if you're short, you're gonna need a little bit of a ladder to do this. Well, I might need it anyway because I forgot to turn the switch on. Wait, let's make sure it's, so there's a little switch right there. Let's see. Oh. Well, damn. The Lord said, let's let there be light, and then there was, and it was good. That's pretty bright. Dang, hey, if anybody wants an oven, let me know, you can have it. I like that. That's pretty cool. And then you can move these little guys around like that. Wow, that lights that up pretty good. I'm impressed. Maybe I don't like it shining on my face when I open the door, so I'll put this one down. And the other two like maybe like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I like it. Let's shut that door and see it. Without any outside interference of lighting. It is getting dark out there anyway. Wow. And there's no, I don't have the light on my camera on at all. This is just what that thing is giving off. Very nice. That's pretty impressive for 46 bucks, I think. I mean, it's way brighter than the light bulb we had in there before. I don't know what the wattage was. It was probably 40 or something like that. But I tried to get into this freezer, and I mean, you couldn't see down in there, and you couldn't really read anything. But wow, it's really lit everything up. And I got all my piles of junk over here. That's pretty impressive. Well, the garage one is in, and it's up and running. I have it flipped on. The switch that's on the side is actually not really an on-off switch. It's for the sensor. So if you have the circle part, if that is the switch is pointing to the circle part, that means it's on sensor. If it's on the other thing, I think it's a line. Yeah, I see a picture. If there's a line there, that means that it's just on no matter what you do. So if you don't want to use the sensor part, you just want to use your wall switch to flick it on and off, you just, put the little switch on the light to the line instead of the circle. But it is pretty sensitive. I'll have to tell you that, where it says it doesn't read you through objects, I think it's gonna detect something very, very small. It's almost a little bit too sensitive. It'd be nice to have maybe an adjustment, maybe a turn knob potentiometer, something like that, that you can adjust the sensitivity of the light itself so it doesn't trigger things all the way across the house inside. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching this review, and hopefully I'll have something exciting coming up for you some other time. Okay, so the part where it says it doesn't read through objects is kind of false. I have the door cracked just a little bit, and we're just going to creep up on it. See, look at that. It read me through the door. It's crazy.